everyone, it's Matt from Belle-Ve Bricks. Welcome back to our channel. If you've seen our website before, you'll know that we love custom LEGO designs. So today, we're going to explore the top 6 websites for buying custom LEGO minifigures. If you're looking for a unique and creative minifigure to add to your collection, this video is going to be perfect for you. All the website links will be included in the description of this video. Let's get going. First up, we have Firestar Toys. This popular online store is known for its extensive range of custom LEGO minifigures, accessories and parts. They offer custom minifigures from various themes, including superheroes, movies, TV shows and even historical figures. They also offer a huge collection of official LEGO minifigures from ranges such as CMF, Star Wars, Harry Potter and Disney. Firestar Toys' collection of custom minifigures is impressive. They have minifigures they have designed themselves, mono figures, Clone Army minifigures, and even ones from minifigures.com too. In addition to custom minifigures, Firestar Toys also offers a vast selection of LEGO parts and accessories, so you can customize your existing minifigures or create completely new ones. Their website is user-friendly and makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. With their wide selection and easy-to-use website, it's safe to say Firestar Toys will not disappoint anyone looking for a custom LEGO minifigure. Next up is Minifigure Me, not to be confused with Minifigs.me. They specialise in supplying unique LEGO minifigures and pieces. Their website is packed full of custom designed LEGO services. It's even possible to provide them with a photo that they will print onto a tile for you. If you are buying a custom minifigure for someone, this would be a great addition to your gift. I think this is a great idea. This isn't the end of everything they offer. You can also buy official minifigures and polybags, print text on bricks, and you can even have them put LEGO minifigures in a frame with printed surrounds for things like weddings, thank you messages. There's even superhero themed ones too. With their focus on personalised minifigures and attention to detail, Minifigure Me is an excellent choice if you're looking to add a one-of-a-kind LEGO minifigure to your collection, or if you wanted to get a unique LEGO gift for someone. At number 3, we have minifigures.com. This website offers a wide range of custom LEGO minifigures, from genres such as celebrities, gaming and movies. They have a fantastic selection of minifigures inspired by characters you're definitely going to recognise. You can expect to see minifigures ranging from the Terminator and Mr. Bean to Joe Biden or Elton John. Minifigures.com also have an extensive range of other categories, such as their sci-fi collection or their horror collection, where you'll find classic characters like Jason and Chucky. The quality of their minifigures is impressive, with crisp printing, intricate details and high quality materials. This results in a minifigure that you will be proud to have in your collection. Each custom minifigure is packed in bespoke and custom packaging, which adds an extra level of collectability to your purchase. Besides their pre-designed minifigures, Minifigures.com also offers a design service too. You can do this by choosing the design service option in their menu and then filling in the contact form. One thing you do need to be aware of though, to use this service, there is a minimum order of 100 minifigures per design. So for personal use, it may be best to use a website like minifigs.me instead. Making number 4 in the list, it's minifigs.me. They're a UK-based business that specialises in custom LEGO minifigures. They offer a large selection of pre-designed custom minifigures, including ones like Rick and Morty, Queen, and the characters from the popular TV series Red Dwarf. Their Create Your Own option allows you to create a one-of-a-kind minifigure using their clever design tool. It walks you through picking the hair, head, torso and legs, with the option to customize some pieces as you go. So if you wanted to add text to the torso, for example, then you just type in what you want to say and it will show you how it will look. Once you've designed your minifigure, you can choose whether you want to place it on a brick or base plate, but if you want something different, you can choose a back panel or mini build. With the wide selection of pre-designed minifigures, user-friendly custom minifigure builder and high-quality printing, Minifigs.me is an excellent choice if you want to expand your collection with unique and creative minifigures. Next is Citizen Brick. They offer fully designed minifigures, minifig parts and accessories. You'll notice their minifig store is lacking in variety, but the reason I include them in this list is because of their huge list of parts and accessories. Citizen Brick have some really cool and unique parts available. For example, check out these minifigure heads you can get: double heads, elongated heads, and candy corn heads. With the number of parts they have on offer, you can build a unique minifigure that will fit into most LEGO scenes or dioramas you have. With the high quality printing, creative designs, and wide range of custom options, Citizen Brick is worth checking out if you're looking to customize your LEGO minifigures. Last but not least, we have Etsy. Etsy is a global online marketplace where independent sellers offer a wide variety of custom LEGO minifigures and accessories. The great thing about Etsy is that you can find unique handcrafted minifigures from talented artists around the world. Just search for custom LEGO minifigures and you'll discover a treasure trove of creative designs. Just be sure to check the seller's reviews before making a purchase. The last thing you want to happen is to receive poor quality minifigures. In addition to custom minifigures, you'll be able to find some LEGO minifigure accessories too. Although, if it was me, I would rather go to one of the other websites we covered earlier in the video. You can find custom printed tiled and minifigure keyrings from Etsy if that's something you're interested in too. When shopping on Etsy, it's really important to carefully read the seller's description and shipping policies to ensure you're getting the best product and experience possible. Keep in mind that since the items are likely made to order, they may take longer to produce and ship. So there you have it, our top 6 websites for buying custom LEGO minifigures. That's it for today's video. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more LEGO related content. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts or ask questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and happy building.